So, you've been using YouTrip and you've got some balance left. Maybe you're planning a trip, or maybe you just want your money back. The question is, can you actually withdraw your YouTrip balance? Let's find out. Understanding YouTrip. Before we dive into withdrawals, let's quickly recap what YouTrip is. It's essentially a multi-currency wallet that lets you spend overseas without the hefty bank fees. You load it up with your local currency, and then you can use it to spend in various foreign currencies. The withdrawal question. Now, the big question, can you withdraw your YouTrip balance? Short answer, it depends. While YouTrip offers a convenient way to spend overseas, it's not designed as a traditional bank account. This means you can't simply withdraw your balance to your local bank account. However, there are a couple of indirect ways you might be able to access your funds. Spend it. Direct spending. The most straightforward way to use your balance is to spend it. You can use your YouTrip card to make purchases online or in-store. Currency conversion. If you have a balance in a foreign currency you don't need, you can convert it to your local currency and spend it. In-app features, if available. Transfer to other cards. Some users have reported being able to transfer funds to other linked cards, but this feature isn't universally available and might depend on your region and specific account settings. Why YouTrip might restrict withdrawals. Regulatory compliance. Financial regulations vary by country. YouTrip needs to adhere to these regulations, which might limit withdrawal options. Foreign exchange risks. Holding a balance in multiple currencies exposes YouTrip to foreign exchange risks. Restricting withdrawals can help manage these risks. Business model. YouTrip's primary revenue comes from exchange fees and other transaction charges. Encouraging spending rather than withdrawals can be beneficial for their business. The bottom line. While you can't directly withdraw your YouTrip balance like you would from a traditional bank account, you can still access your funds through spending or, in some cases, by transferring to other linked cards. If you have specific questions or concerns about your balance, it's always best to consult YouTrip's official support channels or refer to their terms and conditions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.